My channel. This channel is all about skincare, hair care, fashion, and lifestyle video. Today I have the Minimalist PHA 3% and Biotic toner. New release from the brand Minimalist, and as we know, Minimalist is an Indian brand which provided some really good products in the year of 2020, and they are free from paraben, sulfate, dyes, fragrance, and essential oils. So this product is available for 395 rupees for 150 ml of the product, and yes, it's a pretty good deal. Before we get into the complete ingredient list, we need to discuss a little bit about toners. So, firstly, toners were introduced into skincare mainly for two reasons. And one is to clean any extra dirt or anything which is left after cleansing step. And second is to maintain the pH level of the skin. So I am a person who think toner are not actually necessary, and I haven't used toner for almost my life, and there are toners which are targeted towards different skin issues and skin types. I haven't tried any Indian toners as much until now, yet this is the interesting one and which I have been waiting from 2020, and I bought it also because I felt it's not just a toner. What is PHA? Polyhydroxy acids, and it's a type of chemical exfoliant. Now, chemical exfoliant is something used to remove the dead skin cells like physical scrubs do, but scrubs actually can harm the skin if you do it frequently and if the particles are harsh in it. So, the safe way to exfoliate your skin is to chemically exfoliate using some facial acids and remove the dead skin cells so we can avoid the friction. Even though the name is chemical exfoliant, most of them are derived from natural plant extracts or fruits. So majorly there are four types of chemical exfoliants, which are AHA, BHA, PHA and LHA. And examples of AHA are glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid or mandelic acid, etc. And BHAs include salicylic acid and some acids which are derived from fruits like berries, papaya, etc. Willow bark extract is also a type of BHA which you can see in almost all these skincare products. So BHAs are even more gentler than AHA. They have much larger molecular structure, so it is slow in penetrating into the skin cells, but it doesn't penetrate as deeply like the HA or BHAs do. That's why it doesn't irritate the skin, and it also provides a very gentle exfoliation, not too much. And HA and BHA make the skin more prone to sunburns if it's not properly protected, but PHA is much gentler, so it's good to use on everyday basis. But anyway, whatever exfoliants you use or not use, you have to use sunscreens. People who have sensitive skin or very vulnerable skin can also get benefited from PHAs. Ingredients which comes under PHA are gluconolactone or lactobionic acid, or galactose. So here in this product they have used the gluconolactone. Their benefit is similar to other facial acids, and it's the hydration exfoliation with no irritation and also some anti-aging benefits. Let's talk about the ingredients list. Let's talk science. As you can see, the base of this product is aqua, and it's unlike their other product. The other products they have used aloe vera water. Second ingredient comes the PHA, which is the gluconolactone, and third is the star ingredient, which is niacinamide, and this product has 2% niacinamide. This has inulin, a fermented bacteria, and it's a prebiotic, and it is used as a binder in some tablets, which is used for gastrointestinal issues. And this inulin is actually derived from some plants and also known as fructans. Then we have lactococcus ferment lysate. Now this ingredient is not so familiar in Indian skincare product, but you can find this in a lot of Korean, Japanese or other products. And this is also a prebiotic which is produced using the lactic acid bacteria, and it is helpful in strengthening the skin barrier, and also it can help with the improvement of quality of the skin. People who are allergic to fermented ingredients, please make sure to do a patch test before using it. It also has salicylic acid, which is a BHA. Use lot of hydrating ingredients in this one and lot of amino acids and few fermented ingredients. Some ingredients are already present in our body and some cannot be synthesized by our body, but most of the amino acids here are so good for our skin health. Now coming to my experience. I have used this for 5 days now and I use this morning and night. First, 3% PHA is safe to use every day. There are products with 10% and 12% PHA in the market and this is so gentle for everyday usage. The bottle looks like this. I wish if this was also a glass bottle, but this is travel friendly. Another concern I have about the Minimalist is that there is no seal on the package of the product or on the product from Amazon as well as in their website, but both of them doesn't have any seal on it because it is ethical for a skincare product to come with a seal and unopened product package. The product is so runny consistency like a water. You can see some microparticles in it. So shake it and use it. So I use it with my hand and I don't like using it with cotton pads. I take on my palm and apply all over my face and neck. The product has a nice slippery kind of feel, but don't worry, it's not like slimy snail mucin. It's just a little slip to that product and that's all. It absorbs very quickly and it leaves a very slight glow after that. It didn't cause any irritation and no breakout with this product even after I applied 2 layers in the morning. But I don't suggest you to layer exfoliating toners anyway. But if you are really someone who love to layer on toners, you can try for one time and then see how your skin reacts. Also, I want to tell you the most important thing that I tried this for the first time when I had active acne on my face 4 days ago and I thought I am gonna get redness, but instead of that it did soothe my skin. No redness, no inflammation on my face. Did not mean that it can cure acne anyway. It will not aggravate if you are acne prone. That means this product is friendly for acne prone skin also. I used it with niacinamide serum. Now you will have a question that this product also has 2% niacinamide. But I am using the 5% niacinamide serum because as I said in my review video that I loved it because it helps in regulating my sebum. I can see the difference in my skin when compared to earlier, so I definitely need this 5% niacinamide and it goes well with this toner, no issues until now. I have also used this with Gran Active Retinol at night and it goes well with that one too. But at night I don't layer the toner, just one layer is enough and I go with retinol and my moisturizer and I'm done. But skincare is totally personal. Ask your skin if it works with other things, then go for it. All I can see is the hydration and I couldn't see any exfoliation happening for my skin. And if you're expecting any brightness, then this is not the product for you. But overall, it's a good toner with a lot of good ingredients and with a stunning price point. So this is my review and it's a good toner considering the ingredients and also the price point. You can't beat it and I will definitely consider to buy this in future. I will also see the long-term effect of this product and I will update you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.